Hey, good afternoon, 7th grade geography students. Today we spent the day filling out our study guide in preparation for Wednesday's test. So if you would take a look here, you should be filling out your study guide. And I have it very organized for you. So hopefully you can find the answers quite easily. Like I said on last week, Friday, I have it divided by lesson. So lesson 1.1, you'll find all these answers on page 78 and 79. Obviously, you can get your vocab from the vocab chart, and then the answers from the short answers will come from the pages of the lesson. So then, once you're done with lesson 1, you can go on to the Great Plains, which is found on 80 to 81, and answer the questions about the Great Plains. And continue down, turn the page to page 82 and 83, and answer the questions about the Western mountains and deserts. 1.4, Mexico's plateaus and mountains and plateaus, found on page 84 and 85, and then exploring the Yucatan on page 86 and 87. When you fill in your answers, could you write in complete sentences and also like bold them or highlight them or italicize them or change the color, something so that your answers stand out from the questions. Then, and you kind of have to be on the honor system there, when you're done filling out the study guide, I did post for you my filled out one, okay? And you're going to compare your answers with mine and update your answers as necessary, but then all the answers are found here. I do hope that you take the time to try to do it on your own first, because that's great studying that can happen when you do it that way, okay? So step 1, fill out your review sheet. Step 2, check it with my filled out review sheet. And then don't forget to also study for the map portion. There's some things in here. The word bank of the map portion is right here. There's a blank map where you can kind of test yourself and look at these on the word bank and see if you can find them on the map. And then use your hard copy map as the answer key to kind of check to see that you studied or you knew where things were. All right, so that is your task for today. Fill out your review sheet, check your review sheet, and study, and be ready for your test on Thursday. Okay, what I need to know is if you would be able to take your test on Thursday at 2:15 in a Google Meet session. Okay, we'll all be, anybody that's taking a test from me will be on the Google Meet. I'll be able to see all of you and see you taking the test. And then if you have any questions, you can ask me. So I'll just email the test to your parents, and then you can take it at home at 2:15. But please let me know if you will be taking it at 2:15 via that Google Meet so I can get a test to you. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day, Chargers.